Here's how to fix Snapchat not sending snaps. Now, if you're in the Snapchat app and you're trying to create new snaps or make videos, anything like that, and send them to other people, but it's just not working, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now, let's open up the Snapchat app here and tap on the camera at the bottom center. Now, of course, if you just take a photo or a video, you can always hit that send to at the bottom right and send your snap to anyone on here, a group. You can share it as a public story, any of that. Now, if this isn't working, it's basically not going through the process of sending it. There are a few different things. One is that you might want to just go back out here and hit X. Let's hit abandon, tap on your messages at the bottom left, and just check the account, the specific account that you're trying to send them to. Basically, if you tap on their name and hold it, you can hit manage friendship. Make sure that they haven't blocked you, you haven't blocked them. Of course, if you blocked them or restricted them, or if they blocked or restricted you, then you can't send snaps. Now, if you hop out of here, the next thing we'll do is we will just go to Google and type in speed test and hit run speed test. Now, what you're checking to see is making sure that you have a good internet connection to be able to upload those snaps to Snapchat server and then for them to be able to send it to whoever you want to send it to. So anything over a few megabytes per second should be fast enough to be able to upload those to Snapchat. Now that we've confirmed that your internet is working, let's check to make sure that the issue isn't with Snapchat itself. So let's type in is Snapchat down, and then just go to down detector here. What we're going to look for is there's a sudden spike in Snapchat reported outages. Basically, if you're not able to send that snap to somebody, maybe the Snapchat servers are down or there's a bug or a glitch in the app itself. And if there's a huge spike in reported outages, you'll just have to wait until they get that fixed. Now, going through all of these steps, the last thing that we'll do is we'll go into your settings on your iPhone or Android. Let's tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now, we're just going to find the Snapchat app here and we're going to offload it and reinstall it. If you're on Android, you're just going to clear the cache, delete the app, and reinstall the app. Basically, by going through this process, you force update to the latest version of Snapchat. A lot of times this gets rid of any kind of bugs or issues. And then after it's done reinstalling, then you can go in there, create that snap again, and it should send to whoever you want. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.